Good morning. Oh no, something's falling over in the front. Well, 7:15. We made it. We made it through the night. It's really cold. Maybe minus 15, I think. No, minus 5, I mean. I know it's a little hard to see, but the sun is starting to come up at the campsite. It's really cool, and right above, those are trees through the frost. We have the car on right now, just warming things up. It's actually starting to get nice in here, especially because it's been so cold all night. But we did it. Late fall camping in the SUV. Now we're having our coffee and our oatmeal in the car. We've already packed up the bed part in the back. It's pretty good. Watching the sun come up. It's kind of nice, isn't it? We'll answer that more once we're a bit more awake. Sun's coming up. So pretty. Mister? Hi. Hi. Hi, buddy. What? We have just got to the Track and Tower Trail. It's gonna be our first hike of the day. And it's chilly. It's minus 5, I think, minus 3. But looking forward to a good 10K. So the Track and Tower Trail, 7.7 kilometer, an optional 5.5K down an old railroad bed. All right, well. Ooh, let's take a guide. That was helpful last time. Cool. All right. Let's go. It's a nice chilly morning. I'm hoping that moving and the day naturally warming up, that it feels warmer as we go. You can imagine that this trail, when the mud's not frozen, is pretty muddy. But it's so cold but everything's frozen, which I guess works in our advantage, or to our advantage, I should say. Oh, looks like we lost a tree. So it looks like we lost a tree. Recently too, like the bark actually looks like, and it had a trail marker on it. We are about 3 kilometers in on the Track and Tower Trail. So far it's been really good. The conditions on the trail though are pretty muddy and wet, so if you're coming out here, highly recommend footwear that, you know, will suffice. We're walking along this like river that starts up at the top with the dam and flows down here. It's really, really nice. Can't get over how tired I look though. That's what sleeping in an SUV will do, I guess. But yeah, it was actually like, I was worried that we'd be really cold out here because it was like -3, but it's actually been pretty decent so far. And the trails, so as you can see, wet, rooty. I would say a bit technically difficult, so if you're looking for something a bit more like mild, definitely don't recommend this one. Tree gave up. Had enough. Unfortunately though, it's on our trail, so we gotta go under it. And I'm navigating mud puddles. Uh-oh. We've yet to see any wildlife on the trail today, other than birds and chipmunks, but nothing, not like yesterday when we saw the fisher. All right, so we climbed up the first part of Track and Tower towards the lookout. This is beautiful. The trail though was not. It's basically like a washout. I'll show you on the way back. It's not a trail. The trail was a lie. It's definitely not that. All right, we're taking the stairway all the way up there. So, here we go. And this is after climbing up the mountain. If you needed proof as to how cold it is out here today, The higher we climb on these stairs, the more snow there is. You can tell we're getting to higher elevations. Trail is down there, and I am walking up there. Lots more stairs to go, but can't wait to see what this looks like. All right. Always love seeing a clearing with a post. You know you're close. Oh, wow. We are on the last leg home. Well, to finish Track and Tower. And this is what the trail looks like. So, continues to be really muddy. I saw a guy up at the summit wearing white running shoes, literally white tennis shoes, and they were no longer white. They were quite brown. So, highly recommend decent, non-white hikers. I'm gonna walk across this log. That's my shoe. Yep. This is literally what the last, I don't even know how many kilometers has been like. Bog hopping. We decided to just start heading home. We've done a lot of hiking this weekend. We've done probably 20 kilometers in 2 days. But I wanted to show you all, this is what I'm currently doing. I am making peanut butter and banana sandwiches as we drive. As Jason drives, I should say. So yeah, we're gonna have some lunch in the car. and stop and get coffee in Barry's Bay, and then make our way home. It's been really fun. I can't wait to be back home and get a shower.